everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Goodness and I am a product designer. Today we're going to be talking about how to get clients on LinkedIn. So without further ado, let's get into it. Hey, so today we're talking about how to get clients on LinkedIn. A lot of people are always like, LinkedIn is too intimidating, it's too professional, people lie on LinkedIn and all of that. I've heard a lot. But truth be told, I have gotten 99% of my opportunities on LinkedIn. I got my first full-time role as a product designer on LinkedIn. I got my highest paying clients on LinkedIn. I got my first contract job on LinkedIn, and yeah, that is why I'm here to tell you how to, get clients on LinkedIn. Like we all know, LinkedIn is a professional platform. It's that place you want to go to and get clients because really there are like high paying clients there. So how do you get clients on LinkedIn? First thing you want to do is optimize your LinkedIn profile. I know that you've heard optimize your LinkedIn profile over and over and over and over again, but I'm still going to tell you, optimize your LinkedIn profile. Why? So that when people search for people in your field, your profile can pop up, basically, right? Yeah, we're going to get into how to optimize your LinkedIn profile, basically. First things first, let's talk about your profile picture. So you want to use a very professional profile picture on your profile. Choose a very professional headshot and use it, right? A picture that represents you well professionally, right? Then you want to use a really nice banner as well. So your banner is supposed to help communicate what you do, basically, without people having to scroll down your page. So you can use Canva. You don't need a graphics design knowledge. Go to Canva, choose a LinkedIn banner template, basically, then search through it, and you can choose anyone that works best for you. Just edit it to fit whatever it is that you do, and you're good. Download it, and yeah, you're good to go. Basically, upload it on your profile and you have your banner and your profile picture ready. The next thing you want to do is your headline. Use a very concise and meaningful headline, an headline that communicates the value that you provide to your clients and also tells what you do, right? The next thing you want to do is your summary section. Make sure that it is it talks about your journey, talks about you. Don't make it too you don't want it to be too, let's say, cliche. Now talk about you, basically. Talk about who you are, what the value you provide, what you do, and why they should work with you. These are like the 4 things that should be in your summary session. And please, in your summary session, try to use key SEO words that are relevant to your field as well. Include it in your summary session so that your profile can rank high when they search for people in your field. You can use ChatGPT for this. Literally write your summary, feed it to ChatGPT, tell ChatGPT what you do, basically, and tell ChatGPT to include key SEO that are relevant to your field in your summary session, and it's going to do a perfect job. After you've done your summary session, then you want to move to the experience field. Now, like I always say, if you have a CV, your experience session should not be hard. Just copy what you have on your experience on your CV to your experience session. Just edit it, put it there. And I think sometimes LinkedIn even asks if you want to input it manually or you want to feed, you want to upload your CV. So it's going to do it for you. But sometimes it doesn't do it perfectly, so you might want to edit it yourself. That's that about your experience field. Your skill session, make sure that you're adding skills that are relevant to your field as well. All this profile optimization, it is so that your profile can rank high if people are looking for if like clients are looking for people in your field, basically. Then recommendations, you can ask people that you've worked with to write a recommendation for you, but they have to be on LinkedIn, yeah, So probably clients that you worked with in the past, or your people in the same field that are also on LinkedIn, you can ask them to write a recommendation for you. Having a recommendation on your page simply says that you're a credible person, people vouch for you and all of that. Yeah, so that's that about recommendation as well. If you don't have it, it's fine, trust me. I did not have recommendation on my profile when I got my first full-time job through LinkedIn, so it's fine. Add voluntary jobs that you've done. Basically, fill your LinkedIn profile with everything that you've done. Make sure that it is concise, and people can easily come to your profile and know exactly what you do. That's all about profile optimization. Before we continue, if you're getting value from this particular video, please like, subscribe, and share. So yeah, let's get back into the video. Now that we've talked about how to optimize your LinkedIn profile, the next thing you want to do is post. Yes, you have to post. So I know that LinkedIn can be intimidating, like we earlier said, and I've heard a lot of people will be like, everybody's making it on LinkedIn. Once you enter LinkedIn, if you start feeling like you're not achieving anything with your life. But the truth of the matter is that everybody is there telling their story, and if you don't tell yours, nobody's going to tell it for you. And that's the truth. I think I saw a tweet recently, and somebody was like, everybody's always happy to announce on LinkedIn, like, I'm happy to announce I'm starting a new role, like everything. The truth of the matter is that LinkedIn always push those kind of posts, right? Because LinkedIn is a platform that they want you to come and get jobs. So once you're there, they want you to see that, oh, so and so person has gotten a job, right? So that you can feel like you can get a job on LinkedIn as well. LinkedIn intentionally pushes those posts by themselves, like the algorithm push those posts. So people post a lot of things on LinkedIn. Trust me, I'm very active on LinkedIn, and I know this. I see a lot of like people posting like their stories and everything, right? But for you that you come to LinkedIn on like once in a week or once in 2 weeks, the kind of post that LinkedIn algorithm would push to you is all this, I'm happy to announce, I just got a job and everything like that, really, right? Because they want you to also be active on the platform. Posting on LinkedIn is a very great advantage to you, because you don't want it to be that it's only when they search for somebody in your field that your profile pops up. You want people to constantly see your work, so that when they need somebody on their team or they need your service, the first person that comes to their head is you, right? The first person they think about is, oh, I've been seeing somebody on my LinkedIn has been posting about, say you're a social media manager now, that's been posting about the advantages of social media management and how she has been able to, help businesses with managing their social media platforms and all of that. The first person they think about is you, and they're coming straight to your DM. Hi, can you help us with our social media management and all of that, right? That is one big advantage of posting. When you post, you put yourself in people's field, in people's faces. People can see you, right? And remember, you have optimized your profile, you have set it up so that when they see your post, they come to your profile, they see that, oh, okay, this person knows what she's doing. You have a professional head picture, you have a professional banner, everything is set on your profile. Yeah, that's why you did the profile optimization in the first place, and that was why I talked about it in the first place, so that when people start seeing your post and they come to your profile, it is concise, right? They know that, okay, this person is professional. Not that you're posting and they come to your profile and they're like, nah, what's this, right? Another great advantage to LinkedIn when it comes to posting is that you can schedule your post. So I have scheduled my post for like a month before. I'm going to show you how to schedule your post, right? Just go to post, you put your post there, what you want to post, add your picture or anything like that, set the date that you want it to go live, and voila, that's it. You can do it for like a full month, and you don't have to, and it just goes live on the date that you've set it to go live, right? If you don't know what to post, use ChatGPT. Tell ChatGPT what you do. I am a product designer. I'm looking to get attention of recruiters and hiring managers on LinkedIn. Suggest topics on suggest topics I can post on LinkedIn, and you can ask ChatGPT to give you as many topics as possible. Review those topics, see the one that resonates well with you and the ones that you're comfortable talking about, develop it, and you post about it, really. So you don't have to think too much about things to post about, basically. Yeah, that's that about posting. Now you know advantages of posting, you know how you can schedule your post. Now you can use ChatGPT to also suggest things that you can post on to you. And really, if you're active in your field, you wouldn't really struggle on things to post about what you're working on that week, post about the challenges you faced and how you were able to overcome it, post about a client that you were able to help out and all of that, really, so that people can see what you're doing. Basically, that is that about posting on LinkedIn and putting yourself in clients' faces. So yeah, this is a big way that you can get clients on LinkedIn. Another way you can get clients on LinkedIn is through connection, right? So you want to connect with people. First things first, the first set of people that you want to connect with is connect with people in the same field, so that you can see the kind of things they're posting about. You can also learn from them, basically, right? That's the first set of people you want to connect with. The second set of people you want to connect with are like your target audience, people that are going to buy your product. So for somebody like me now, I would connect with recruiters, hiring managers, CEOs, founders, and all of that, right? So that they can see my work, and should in case they need anybody, a designer on their team, I'm the first person that would, come to their mind. Why? Because they've been seeing my posts, they've been seeing my work over time, right? Search for people in your field and follow them, connect with them. Basically, don't follow them. If you follow people on LinkedIn, you only get to see their posts. They don't get to see your post. But if you connect with them, they accept your connection, they see your post and you see their post, right? So that's how LinkedIn works, basically. But if you connect with them and they don't connect with you back, you have automatically followed them. So you would still be seeing their post, but they might not see your post, right? Basically, that's how LinkedIn works when it comes to connection. Try to figure out your target audience. Once you're able to figure out your target audience, search for them on LinkedIn. So I just search for, say, owners now, and I choose the countries that I want to see. I choose the field, then it brings their profile to me, then I start connecting with them. I mostly do this and it has worked for me. So there was I did this in November. It converted immediately. I just followed, I think, was it founders that I followed? And immediately somebody came to my DM and I was like, oh, thanks for adding me up, this and this and that. We have an opening in our company and all of that. Why was the person confident to come to my DM? Because the person has checked through my profile, right? The person has seen the kind of things that I post. I have connected my portfolio to my profile as well. So I'm sure that they have checked through my portfolio and seen that, okay, this person is a right fit, right? And yeah, they came directly to my DM and was like, oh, thanks for adding up. We have would you be open for a role in our company and all of that? And we got on a call and everything. I did that again this January. And again, somebody came to my DM and said literally the same thing. Connecting with people, with your target audience on LinkedIn is very important. Do it very well, do it very often. As often as you post, also connect with people, because that is what it is about, right? If you're posting every time and nobody's seeing it, there is no point. If you optimize your LinkedIn page and nobody's coming to check it, there is no point. So every step is important. And trust me, LinkedIn is more about quality than quantity. The very first time I posted on LinkedIn, somebody came to my DM and, asked if I was open to working with this team of developers and all of that. Yeah, I have gotten several opportunities on LinkedIn. When I got my first full-time role on LinkedIn, when my boss reached out to me, I wasn't even up to 1,000 followers. I haven't gotten to 1,000 followers. So don't think that if I don't get up to so and so forth. LinkedIn is more about quality than quantity. So don't bother yourself about quantity. Quantity helps as well, right? But if you're just starting out, just make sure you optimize your LinkedIn profile, follow the right people, post the right stuff, and trust me, it is going to work because it has worked for me. So yes, I have basically talked about inbound way of getting clients on LinkedIn. Outbound way is by reaching out to them directly. So you can also reach out to people on LinkedIn, right? Know your target audience, search for them, send them a message. If you're reaching out to people on LinkedIn, make sure that it is personalized to them. So don't send a generic message, right? Talk about what you do, introduce yourself. Hi, I am this and this and that. I went through your profile, I saw that you did this and this and this and that. I am impressed by what you do and everything. Then go straight to this is what I offer. And that is a way that you can reach out to people on LinkedIn, right? Introduce yourself, talk about them so that they know that you are really intentional about them, basically. Talk about them, then go ahead to talk about what you do. Then you yeah, give your offer basically. So that's another way that you can get clients on LinkedIn. And I mean, LinkedIn is the best professional platform that has the highest number of professionals in the world. Just take advantage of that. And the last point that I would say is be consistent, differentiate yourself from the crowd, post regularly, be intentional, reply to posts, and chats. I hope that this has been helpful, and if it has, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end, and I hope that I've been able to help you. See you in my next video. Bye.